Hello, everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe me. The Tesla Model S Plaid is more than just a car. It is the embodiment of a technological revolution, a paradigm shift in the automotive world, and a true luxury electric beast that redefines everything we know about speed, performance, luxury, and futuristic innovation. Because when you first lay eyes on the Model S Plaid, it may appear as a sleek, elegant, almost understated luxury sedan. But beneath that sophisticated exterior lies a beast capable of unleashing performance numbers that were once thought impossible for a four-door family car, a car that accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds, making it the fastest production car in the world, a title that not only shatters records but also reshapes our understanding of what an electric vehicle can achieve. And yet, despite these monstrous performance figures, Tesla ensures that the Model S Plaid delivers comfort, refinement, and practicality that make it suitable for everyday driving, a duality of personalities that makes it such an extraordinary machine. Because on one hand it is a quiet, smooth, refined electric sedan with spacious seating for 5, a large trunk, cutting-edge technology, and a luxurious minimalist cabin, and on the other hand, it is a track-ready hypercar killer that outperforms million-dollar supercars from Ferrari, Bugatti, and Lamborghini, all while being completely electric and leaving behind zero tailpipe emissions. And this dual identity is what makes the Plaid such a remarkable feat of engineering, because it not only gives you unparalleled acceleration but also allows you to enjoy it guilt-free with the knowledge that you are driving one of the cleanest, most sustainable high-performance vehicles on the planet. And let's not forget that the heart of this monster is Tesla's tri-motor setup, 3 powerful electric motors delivering over 1,020 horsepower, an insane number that provides relentless, immediate torque to all 4 wheels, giving you not just astonishing straight-line performance but also exceptional handling and stability. And when you floor the accelerator, the feeling is like being launched from a catapult, pinning you to your seat in disbelief as the car rockets forward with an intensity that no combustion engine can replicate. And yet the Plaid remains incredibly composed, smooth, and precise, a testament to Tesla's advanced software, traction control systems, and meticulously engineered chassis. And while the straight-line speed captures all the headlines, what makes the Plaid truly impressive is how it combines this blistering acceleration with everyday usability. Because unlike many high-performance cars that compromise comfort, practicality, or efficiency, the Plaid offers a roomy interior, spacious rear seats, a massive 17-inch infotainment touchscreen, and Tesla's signature minimalist design philosophy, giving you both luxury and cutting-edge tech in a cabin that feels like the future. And speaking of the interior, the Model S Plaid replaces traditional buttons and dials with sleek touchscreens and haptic controls, offering a futuristic driving environment where everything from climate control to media to navigation is controlled via Tesla's custom-designed software, and the controversial yoke steering wheel adds to the spaceship-like feel. An innovative design that may take some getting used to but undeniably sets the Plaid apart from any other vehicle on the road, making you feel like you're piloting something beyond a car, something from a sci-fi movie. And Tesla doesn't stop there, because with software-based features like autopilot and full self-driving capability, the Plaid is not only about raw power but also about the future of autonomous driving, giving you access to advanced driver assistance features that continue to improve over time through Tesla's legendary over-the-air software updates, meaning your car evolves, gains new features, and becomes even better long after you've purchased it, something no traditional automaker has been able to replicate at Tesla's scale. And beyond the software and speed, the Plaid continues to impress with its massive range, offering up to 396 miles on a single charge, a figure that puts it ahead of most competitors and alleviates the so-called range anxiety that people often associate with electric vehicles, making it not just a high-performance car but also a practical long-distance cruiser, perfect for road trips, daily commutes, and everything in between. And the charging experience is another area where Tesla shines, thanks to its exclusive supercharger network, which allows Plaid owners to charge at incredibly fast speeds, giving you up to 187 miles of range in just 15 minutes, meaning you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying the drive. And while performance and practicality form the foundation of the Plaid's appeal, its design deserves recognition too, because Tesla's minimalist design language ensures the Model S Plaid looks elegant and timeless, a sleek, aerodynamic shape with a low drag coefficient that not only improves efficiency but also gives it a commanding road presence. And the subtle yet aggressive touches like wider fenders, bold wheel designs, and refined lighting elements remind you that this is not just any luxury sedan, it is the Plaid, the king. And while many carmakers use luxury as an excuse for excess, Tesla redefines luxury as simplicity, efficiency, and innovation, proving that less is indeed more. And every aspect of the Plaid embodies this ethos, from the flush door handles that pop out as you approach, to the panoramic glass roof that floods the cabin with natural light, to the premium materials and sustainable upholstery options that enhance the sense of modern, eco-conscious luxury. And yet, despite all this innovation, the Plaid does not lose touch with practicality, offering ample cargo space thanks to both a front trunk and a rear trunk, making it more versatile than most sports sedans or hypercars. Because what other car can you take to the track one day, and then load up with luggage for a family road trip the next, all while having zero emissions? And if that weren't enough, Tesla also offers premium features like immersive sound systems, advanced climate control with HEPA air filtration, and seamless smartphone integration, ensuring that your daily drives are as comfortable and enjoyable as they are thrilling. And let's not forget that Tesla has always been about pushing boundaries, and with the Plaid, they've essentially created a car that sets new benchmarks in nearly every category that matters: acceleration, top speed, range, charging speed, software capability, and interior technology, making it not only one of the best electric cars ever made, but arguably one of the greatest cars ever built, period. Because think about it, no other car offers this unique combination of speed, sustainability, luxury, and innovation in a single package. And while cars like the Bugatti Chiron or Porsche Taycan Turbo S may compete in certain aspects, none of them deliver the holistic experience the Plaid does at its price point. And that brings us to one of the Plaid's most astonishing aspects: its value proposition. Because while hypercars with similar acceleration figures cost millions of dollars, the Tesla Model S Plaid comes in at a fraction of that price, making it relatively accessible for what it delivers: a democratization of hypercar performance in a luxury electric sedan body. And that is why so many enthusiasts, tech lovers, and luxury seekers have gravitated toward the Plaid, because it gives them a taste of the future today, without the compromises of traditional supercars. And of course, no review would be complete without discussing the driving experience, because behind the wheel, the Plaid feels unlike anything else on the market. The instant torque makes every overtake effortless. The low center of gravity thanks to the battery pack ensures superb handling, and the adaptive suspension strikes a fine balance between comfort and sportiness, adapting to your driving style in real time. And while it may not deliver the raw mechanical feedback of a traditional sports car, the sheer capability and futuristic experience more than make up for it, offering a new type of driving thrill, one rooted in the silent yet ferocious power of electricity. And this silence is something to appreciate, because unlike roaring V12s or screaming V8s, the Plaid delivers its speed without drama, just an eerie, spaceship-like whoosh as you're propelled forward, a soundscape that feels like the future of performance. And while purists may miss the growl of gasoline engines, there's something incredibly satisfying about the Plaid's instantaneous, effortless acceleration. And what makes it even better is how this performance is accessible to anyone. You don't need to be a professional driver to extract the Plaid's full potential, because the car's software and engineering handle everything, ensuring you remain in control even as you tap into speeds that were once reserved for racetracks. And speaking of tracks, Tesla designed the Plaid with track performance in mind, incorporating features like torque vectoring, regenerative braking, and advanced thermal management systems to ensure consistent performance lap after lap, proving that this is not just a one-trick pony for straight-line speed, but a true all-rounder that can take on corners, long drives, and daily commutes with equal ease. And while some may critique Tesla for areas like fit and finish or the controversial yoke steering, the overall package remains unmatched in its innovation and excitement, because few cars ignite as much conversation, debate, and passion as the Plaid. And that in itself speaks to its impact on the industry. And beyond the car itself, the Plaid represents Tesla's broader mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, proving that electric vehicles are not just about being eco-friendly, but also about being desirable, aspirational, and thrilling. And in this way, owning a Plaid is not just about driving a luxury car. It's about being part of a movement, a revolution that is reshaping the future of mobility. And when you consider everything together, the Tesla Model S Plaid is not just a car you buy for transportation. It's a statement, a declaration that the future is here, that sustainability and performance can coexist, that luxury can be redefined through technology, and that the limits of what a car can achieve have been pushed further than ever before. And so, whether you are a car enthusiast who craves the thrill of speed, a tech lover who values innovation, or a luxury seeker who wants comfort and elegance, the Tesla Model S Plaid delivers it all in one package. And that's what makes it the ultimate luxury electric beast, a car that will be remembered in history not just for its numbers and records, but for the way it changed perceptions, disrupted industries, and inspired a new era of automobile